Hey, I'm Tatiana and I am the Imperfect Minimalist, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean your teeth. Now this is for deep cleanings. I'll put a disclaimer in here. I am not a dental hygienist. Due to the pandemic and everything, I have just practiced with cleaning my teeth and it works. It keeps my teeth looking fresh and white, and I do not use any chemicals. You can check back at my last video. I was pretty inexperienced and I had a few tools there that I shared and they became quite popular. However, I have upgraded my cleaning kit. So I went on to Amazon and purchased this set right here, and then also this one. And I will be showing you how they work. So stay tuned to watch. I would suggest picking up these tools if you're on Amazon. I will leave links in the description box below for everything I'm using. So if you want to upgrade your cleaning kit, you can do so. First, I'll be using this pick right here. It has two sides, and this is going to be removing all of the plaque in between the teeth. And this one is like a scraper tool to remove all of the plaque on the outsides. This one right here is for your gums. Actually, a dental hygienist gave this to me. This one right here, in the last video I called it a sander, but basically what it does, it just scrapes off any plaque or tartar that's on the front of your teeth. I also use a bamboo toothbrush with charcoal bristles. The charcoal bristles last longer than the white ones. You can actually soak them in hydrogen peroxide if you want to, sanitize it and use it for longer. And I also use this tongue scraping tool. So a lot of bacteria is sitting on your tongue. So it's really important to clean that really deeply once you're finished with cleaning your teeth. That just gives you a really nice fresh taste in your mouth. I also use floss. Flossing is super important. You need to hug both sides of your teeth and get all of the gunk in between out. I'll also be using toothpaste. This is a travel size Dr. Bronner's that my sister gave me, so I'm going to be using this. And why put it to waste, right? Some people do make their own toothpaste at home, and you can make it with like coconut oil or charcoal or bentonite clay. And yeah, so let's get into it. First step is really just sanitizing everything and just let it soak for a while. I would say about 5 to 10 minutes, and then leave it on a nice clean towel, just all laid out, just like you're gonna do surgery pretty much. Then you're gonna deep clean your hands. So, especially with these times, we all know how important it is to clean your hands. So just make sure that you're rinsing and washing for at least 20 seconds and then dry it really well. And then you'll be ready to start cleaning your mouth. The second step is getting your gums ready. So I would start with just regular floss and just getting in between each of the gums, just about this much, okay? And I'm going to put it on my finger, wrap it around twice, and then my other finger and wrap it around twice. And then I'm gonna hold like my middle finger right here and just kind of like make that bendy motion. And then I'm gonna start from the middle and hug a tooth. Do you see how I'm like hugging the tooth? Down and up, hugging the tooth. My husband always makes fun of me because I look so weird. I'm like, so in the back, it's usually a lot tighter than the front, but see this part's pretty, there's some pretty big gaps there. Everybody's teeth is different. So try and get back there as much as possible. All right, I would say that's good. Now I'm gonna rinse it with fresh water. Flossing is pretty deep cleaning, but it's not as deep as you can really get with some of these tools. Now, if your gums bleed that is completely normal. It's just because you need to do this a little more often. Your gums, as you start to do this, will become tougher and they won't bleed as much. And a lot of people put comments on my video about the enamel on the front of the teeth. Look, my teeth are yellow and I don't like them yellow. I don't want to use chemicals. I'm not an expert. I don't know much about enamel. I'm still learning about it, but I just like my teeth feeling clean and looking white. Do this all at your own risk, okay? I'm just a person on YouTube. Okay, the next tool I'm going to grab is this scraper here. Okay, right in here usually is where most of the food buildup gets to. Now try not to get your gums. Go in the back, go in the front. Some people use those little mirrors, you know, that you see at the dentist. I think it's really hard to use both hands, like holding the mirror, looking at the mirror, and doing this. You can go around the side here, just show you. You can grab a towel and just kind of like wipe it off too. Now I'm going to use this like scraping tool, and basically I'm going to be using this on my teeth like that. Now, if it sounds rough, that means you're still getting a lot of the plaque. So if it's smooth, then you've got it. If you need to spit, you can spit in your towel. There's another tool that's a little bit at an angle, and this one is straight. So just depending how your teeth are, the one at the angle, let's see, can kind of get in there like that. That's kind of nice. So yeah, there you go. I'm getting more. Yeah, it's a great tool. Use this tool right here. It does have a rubber side on it, so it's a little easier to grip. I was using a little small travel one. Just go like that. So essentially what you're doing is you're just kind of sanding off any of the rough surfaces and just making them smooth, and it's taking off the stains. It is awesome. You can go all the way back there, and you can go on the inside too. Another thing you can do is you can put some activated charcoal on the tip of this, and then just start with this. You just pretty much just put it in there like that and start going like that on your teeth. And your teeth get really black. At first it's like, really? I'm cleaning my teeth right now? Put it on the top so it looks even better. Can you still understand me when I'm talking like this? Okay, so it's really cute. I mean, you can go out on a date and be like, I cleaned my teeth for you. Okay, I'm just trying to get back there as much as possible, and I keep tapping it. Okay, this one actually I got on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can get some. Isn't it awesome? Okay, I'm gonna rinse this out. Okay, now I probably have some of that black in my teeth, but the last part of this, we're going to brush our teeth to just like wash away anything that might have been left behind. Now the next part is just to kind of massage our gums. We just want to kind of be gentle to our gums because we are activating them and scraping at them and everything. This is just a tool to kind of calm them down. Just kind of like push right there, right in between your teeth really well. Oh, it's so satisfying. Okay, I even got some gunk out of there. Now we're going to use the tongue scraper. So basically you're gonna start from the back and push your way out. So, just like that, and it grabs all that stuff. And you want to do this actually 3 times. Now with the bamboo toothbrush, I would recommend this because you can just throw it in the compost. You don't have to throw it in the landfill. I'm always trying to do things that are more sustainable. Not perfect at it, but trying. A little bit of toothpaste on. You don't need a lot of toothpaste. That's what a lot of people do though. Think that more toothpaste actually works better. It doesn't. It's just like doing your laundry. A lot more soap does not make it better. It actually makes it worse because then you gotta clean all the soap. Okay, let's get back into it. I'm going to wet my toothbrush just a little bit, and I'm going to start from the back and work my way around in circular motions. And then start from the back again and come back forward. So funny, I'm trying to talk to you guys. And go back. And the last part is done. Now that is the final part. In my last video, I used mouthwash. I think that's unnecessary. The alcohol and the mouthwash dries up your mouth. Rinse your mouth out with warm water. And I have a very cool addition to this video I will show you right now. It's for my baby, and it's 360. It just goes right around the finger, and it has several bristles on it. It's made with silicone, so he's got 2 teeth. He's teething, it's really irritable, and this helps a lot. I'm going to leave this in the description box below as well. So let's get Mark over here so we can brush his teeth. Now here's Mark. He's 5 months old, and he got his teeth when he was only 3 months old, huh, baby? Okay, show your teeth. Oh, there's your teeth. Okay, we're gonna use your little toothbrush. Ooh, that feels good, huh? See, he loves it actually because teething hurts, you know? It's like these big teeth are coming out of his gums, just breaking through. So yeah, he'll just kind of like, you know, chomp on my finger. It doesn't hurt. And it goes back all the way back without him chomping on my finger. And I can get the upper part even to massage those gums. Yeah, so this thing is awesome. I would highly recommend it if you have a baby. Okay, let's give him a smile. Show them our clean teeth. Alright, so that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel if you like videos like these, and you can tap the notification bell too to be notified of the very next video. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.